Stay right now. You say it's getting late, but you don't move away. Your eyes still on mine, like you wanna stay. Your hand's still holding mine, like it belongs there. And every quiet second feels light up in the air. We don't need to talk about it, we don't need to decide. Just stay here with me, right by my side. Stay right now. Don't let go. Let the night move slow. We don't need forever, we don't need to know how. Just stay right now. You whisper something salty, but stop before it's clear. Like you're afraid of meaning everything you hear. And every time you step back, you turn around again. Like something in this moment won't let me see. We don't need to name this, we don't need to explain.